Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can use a line command in AutoCAD. Let's start. I have this drawing and you can see that this dimension is 1500 mm, and now you want to change this dimension to 2000 along with all the drawing. How we can do that? We will do with the help of the line command. First we will draw a line of 1500 mm, and then second line we will draw 2000, and you have to type here AL, a line command here, and select here, and here I will deselect this one, enter. Now you have to specify first source point, and this is my first source point. Now you have to select second source point, you have to press enter and type yes. We will move this line. Now two lines are parallel here, and you can see that now this dimension changed from 1500 to 2000 along all the drawing. In this way, the line command is used to change the whole drawing as per your own drawing limits. So let's say you want to change this drawing to inches or centimeters or whatever it is. Let's say I want to change this drawing to inches. How we can do that? We will confirm here 1 millimeter is equal to in inches 0.03937. First, what we will do here, we will draw a line of 1 mm, and we will draw a second line here 0.03937. Now we are going to change this one to mm to inches. Type a line, select all, shift, and I will reselect this one, enter, select first source point, this point, second one is from this to this one, enter and type yes. You can see that two lines are overlapping now. So now it is showing 7.78.74. We will confirm here, and this is 2000, and you can see that it is showing in inches 78.74, so which is 78.74 showing perfectly all right. So you can change here, and if you want to show in inches, click on engineering here, apply, and you can show in inches also. So in this way, we can use a line command to upscale or downscale any drawing as per our own convenience. If you have any comment related to line command, please comment in the comment box.